Welcome boys. Okay, in this video we are going to be doing an emergency hood release cable installation on our '02 Crown Vic. It's going to be a very similar video to what I did with the Corvette, where I installed two emergency hood release cables, as it had two latches. This car only has one, so it should be half the work, theoretically. So here's how this guy works. Let's get some light in here for you. Alright, maybe that's brighter. Maybe it's not. Okay. So, this thing down here. There's a little eyelet going through it, and the spring's attached to it. So whenever you pull the cable pulls through this big thing down here, so just under the gigantic spring. It goes this way, like so. And this little spring is what brings it and returns it back to its position. So we need to install a cable. Now there's already a little eyelet down there that this little spring, that little guy, is attached to already. You can kind of barely see it in there, but if you look under the big spring, you can kind of see the rocks and stuff below it. See my fingers covering the hole? That's where we're going to go through. So I'm thinking we're going to put our cable, we're going to have it go through here. Let me see if I can do something about this focus problem. Okay, so I think what we're going to do is I'm going to have the cable run through here, and then just kind of hang down, so I can reach from under the car up, and then pull this direction. I'm sorry, I'm trying to look at my actual, with my eyes and not through the viewfinder, so I keep missing that you guys aren't seeing what I'm pointing at. But we're going to fish the cable through here. So we're going to make the eyelet first, fish the cable through here. It's going to come through that little eye, where this little spring goes through, so that's where the stopper is going to be. And then we'll just be able to pull through here, and that should release the primary, and then we can go up top, undo the secondary, and then open the hood in any emergency in case we break the cable. And why I'm worried about that cable breaking is I think it already broke once when somebody else, like the police department, owned the car, because my hood, it's all damaged right up in here, and this looks like it's damaged, and the hood never closes right. I think somebody tried to pry the hood open way back in the day for some reason. Maybe the cable broke. That would be the only assumption I can make. Although I don't know why you couldn't just go down and then do what I just said, but I don't know, with like some pliers or something on that end. But in any case, we're going to preemptively fix this just like we did with the Corvette before we have a problem. Okay boys, and just like with the Corvette, we're going to be using the same parts we used on that vehicle, the ferrule and stop kit, that part number, and then this cable. So I will go ahead and make my loop, use the ferrule to go in and stay the loop, and then we will put our stop on the other side once we get into the Crown Vic. So once we make the loop, we'll fish this through where we want it to go, and then we'll make the stop while we're inside the car, and then we will test it. Okay, and we're back. We have our frayed stuff pushed through. Barrel down as far as it'll go. This is our loop, big enough for a finger. Giggity. And now we'll flatten. Nice and flat. Not going anywhere. Alright, let's fish it into the car. Okay boys, and I find the easiest thing to do is take the cable through here first, go into that little eye, and then take your loop, feed it through here, and then just kind of push it until it comes out this end. Alright, now just fish the cable all the way back through. boys. And there she is all the way through. So, let's test our work. We're closing the hood, trying to open it manually, and then we'll close it again, and we'll try to go underneath and pull it from down below. Alright, hood's closed. Hey, that still works. Let's close it again. I'll set you boys up and I'll go underneath. Job well done. How to install emergency hood release cable 02 Crown Vic. Not unlike what we did on the 93 Vet. Thanks for watching, boys. Peace.